Hey yo ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since the last video because I was suffering from acute cancer. I survived but the side effects include cold and cough. Anyway, today we are talking about useState hook. Bro, why use useState? Can't I just use normal variables? Well, let's find out. Is useState actually useful or just React's way of making us feel dumb? Let's make a simple counter app. First, we will create a variable using let. Then we will create another variable, count these nuts, using useState. Add a button that increments both when clicked, display the values on the page. Sounds simple, right? Now let's test it out. Click, 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 click. Now let me ask you, which counter actually updated on the screen? Correct. The useState counter worked. The normal variable, useless, just like your gym membership. But why? To understand this, you need to know how React actually works. React doesn't update the page instantly like vanilla JavaScript. Instead, it uses something called the virtual DOM. Here's the problem. When you update a normal variable, React is like, cool bro, I don't care. But when you use useState, React goes, oh snap, something changed, re-render everything. That's the magic. useState tells React to re-render the component whenever its value changes. So now you know why useState is essential in React. Your challenge is to build a counter app that makes fun of the traditional variables every time you click the button. Something like this. Until next time, peace out.